Good morning everyone. Today we are going to read triangle. So here in this video we are going to read about triangle, the basic thing about triangle. So what first of all we need to know how we can make a triangle. So when non-collinear points join together, non-collinear points join together with the lines, it makes triangle. Right? So what are non-collinear points? So first you should know what is collinear points. So collinear points are the points which are not on a straight line. Like I am showing you. Here I am showing you, as you can see, I am making 3 points. Right? So it can make a triangle. It can make a triangle. Right? So it can make a straight line. So these are collinear points, right? What are non-collinear points? See, I am making 3 points over here. Just say P, Q, R. We cannot make a straight line with it. So these are non-collinear points. When we join these non-collinear points, we can make a triangle. Alright? So in the same way, we can say A, B and C are the collinear points, and with this A, B and C, we can make this triangle. Alright? So, we write it like this, triangle A, B and C. Remember, always use capital letter to write name of triangle. Triangle ABC. Alright? Now, gradually I will tell you how to write the angles and all. Okay? Now, this is vertex. Vertex are what? What are the vertex? Vertex are A, point B and C. Right? These are the vertices. Right? And sides are side AB. This is AB, BC and CA. These are the sides. And angles are angle A. When we are naming, this is very important thing, listen very carefully. When we are naming angle A, we can write it like this, angle A, okay, or instead angle BAC, okay. When we are naming angle B, we can write angle B or angle ABC. When we are naming angle C, we can write angle C or angle ACB. Alright? So these are the angles. Okay? So the important thing is the angle which you are mentioning over here, that has to be at the middle. At the middle. This way. Okay? Now, next very important thing is the sum of angles of our triangle is equal to 180 degree. The sum of angles, these angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180 degree. It must be more than 180 degree. Okay? Next, we will read this one, type of triangles. We will know type of triangles, right? So here I have written some types of triangle, as you can see over here. So first of all is scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? So scalene triangle, triangle in which all 3 sides having different length. Okay? All 3 sides which are having a different length are called scalene triangle. Say like AB may not be equals to BC, may not be equals to CA. Okay? It can be of any length. Okay? Equilateral triangle. Triangle in which all sides are equal. Triangle in which all the sides are equal. Like AB equals to BC equals to CA. Then it's a equilateral triangle. Then isosceles triangle. Triangle in which at least 2 sides are equal. Okay? It must have 2 sides equal. 2 equal sides. Okay? Like suppose this is a triangle, say P, Q and R. Okay, so like PQ equals to PR, then it will be called as isosceles triangle. Then right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle, triangle in which one angle is equals to 90 degree. Here one point to be noted: in a triangle more than one angle cannot be 90 degree. I mean to say that two angles cannot be of 90 degree. Only one angle can be of 90 degree in a triangle, right? So a triangle which is having any one angle which is of 90 degree, we can say that the triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay, two angles in a triangle may not be of 90 degree. Okay, because 90 plus 90 will be 180. Okay, so that cannot be possible. That cannot be possible. So it means the third angle may not be 0. Okay, that's why two angles may not be of 90 degree. Next, obtuse angle. Triangle in which one angle is more than 90 degree. Okay, in which any one angle, if it is of 90 degree, more than 90 degree, it will be obtuse angle. Okay, and one thing you should keep in your mind: in a triangle, it is only possible to have only one angle which is more than 90 degree. Two such angles cannot be there in a triangle, right? Two obtuse angles may not be there in that triangle. Okay. Next, acute angle triangle. All angles are less than 90 degree. Okay. All angles must be less than 90 degree. In other words, you can say that if a triangle in which there is no right angle and there is no obtuse angle, then that triangle is a acute angle. ACUT, acute angle. I hope you understood with this video. We'll meet you next in my next video. Thank you and have a nice day.